Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fillet in TinkerCAD. So there's no tool called fillet in TinkerCAD, so we will need to do a little workaround. So let's do that. Basically go right here where you see shapes and click on the search icon and type meta and basically wait for it to load. And you'll see this little blue item or the figure, how you want to call it, and basically now you'll see that you can rotate it. So let's rotate that to 90 degrees like that, and you can choose radius if you want to. You can choose the height of it, so let's make it a little bit smaller. Okay, a little bit wider. Then let's do a little bit smaller and choose smaller radius. And now what you'll need to do is just place your fillet, not a fillet, but this figure on the corner for your rectangle or the cube. So let's do that by now, just moving like that. Basically, you can use align tool, but right now I will use something like that. And basically now you can put it on the corner and select to make it a hole. Now just drag with your mouse and click Union Group. And as you can see, this fillets your one side in TinkerCAD on this cube. Also, you can just copy those and actually make on the other side and etc. So I will rotate it 180 degrees, then move like that, and basically select holes and click Union Group. And as you can see, this fillets my sides. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.